Next question is from Gunther, and he asks, purely in terms of privacy and security, leaving aside other ideological considerations, what is the advantage, if any, of open source software over source available software? So he's not asking about open source versus proprietary. He's literally just asking about if it's source available versus open source. So pretty much like Vivaldi, I would say.
Right. Um, I mean, the open source movement is like, it's mainly an ideological movement about like copyright law and that kind of thing. It's not super related to privacy and security. Obviously, the biggest privacy and security advantage is that that code can be audited, which is the same in source available software. Um, Probably one of the biggest things is that a lot of source available software, um, they don't provide the tools to like build the product yourself, like if you wanted to. So you can't like in some cases, you can't be sure that the code that you're running is the built product is built from the exact same source code. Um, but even that's not super common. Um, Otherwise, I guess the only advantage that I can think of off the top of my head is like with open source software, you can get contributions from the community. So like if people wanted to make changes to it, like that are related to privacy and security, they could submit those and get those merged in. Whereas that's usually not the case with source available software that's being produced by like one specific team. I don't know. Do you have any other thoughts on that yourself?
No, you covered that really perfectly. I haven't really not much to add there. I think for most people, there really isn't much of a privacy and security advantage between open source and source available software. Because the main thing, like you said, is the transparency and the ability to audit the code, which you can still do with source available software. I would just say
Right.
that, but this person said, aside from ideological considerations, I would say it's like ideologically is the main thing, and then the ability to contribute
Mm-hmm.
to it.